So you want to tell them a little bit about what happened?
Yeah, so like a little bit before Christmas time, I was about to leave for work and my car got stolen. Like I came out and it wasn't there, outside of their house actually.
Yeah, it was outside our house.
And it was like crazy because it's like never happened before. And like I've been parking there for a long time. I came out and it wasn't there. At first I was like, maybe it might be towed. I called LA City and they were like, we have no record of your car. So I just had like that bad gut feeling. I was like, it has to be like stolen. Like it just was a terrible feeling. So then later that day I filed a police report. They basically were just like, we're gonna keep an eye out for your car. We're gonna like send out whatever like they do.
Yeah.
Like have people like watch my license plate and everything, like look out for it. So like the holidays went by and I still didn't hear anything. I guess I'm just still waiting. They haven't found anything, but I guess the cops were saying that this is like a big thing around here in LA, that people have been stealing cars, especially during the holiday time.
Yeah. I think we asked our neighbor too, and like their car got stolen.
Yeah, like right across the street, right?
Yeah. Got you a little something so you could vibe out. What?
No, you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
No, you have this for me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
What? You're lying.
I'm not.
No. This is my dream car.
Yeah, no, I remember you telling me that.
What?
So, can I drive it?
Crazy. Yeah. This for me?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, let's go. You know how to drive? You know how to drive it?
Yeah.
Wow.
There's no way.
What?
Wow.
Wait, open the gate. Open the gate.
Yeah.
Got you, sir.
Wow.
You like it?
This is crazy.
Hit the starter. Okay.
Okay. She just repped it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Alright, let me put my belt.
Be careful. Buckle up.
Ooh.
Wow, I can't believe this. This is crazy. Wait, is there like the parking brake on? What's on? Oh, got it. Okay.
Alright, take it slow. This is a really fast car.
Okay. Let's go. We're gonna go to Malibu.
What? Bro, this is crazy.
Hold on.
Yeah.